Ever wondered how to naturally keep pests away from your garden? Pests can be a real menace, and while chemical pesticides might offer a quick fix, they carry long-term consequences. But fear not, nature offers a brilliant solution: companion planting. Today, we'll explore the top 7 companion plants that can help you maintain a healthy, pest-free garden. Companion plants are nature's way of pest control. They serve as the garden's own security system, repelling unwanted pests while attracting beneficial insects. Let's explore 7 of these garden heroes. First on our list is the marigold. These vibrant flowers do more than just brighten up your garden. They're also hard at work deterring pests like nematodes and aphids. Imagine a splash of color and a pest deterrent all in one. Next, we have basil. A favorite in the kitchen, basil also plays a crucial role in the garden by repelling flies and mosquitoes. So, while you're enjoying your pesto, your garden is enjoying protection. Garlic is another kitchen staple that doubles up as a garden protector. Planting garlic near roses can help keep aphids at bay, ensuring your roses remain stunning and healthy. Nasturtiums, while a favorite of aphids, actually act as a trap crop, keeping your other plants safe by drawing pests away from them. Chives, known for their mild onion-like flavor, also deter carrot flies, aphids, and Japanese beetles. So, they're not just a tasty addition to your meals, but a formidable foe to pests. Borage is a great companion for tomatoes and cabbage, helping to repel pests like cabbage worms. It's like having a bodyguard for your veggies. Lastly, we have mint. This refreshing herb keeps away cabbage moths and ants. Just remember, mint can be invasive, so consider planting in pots to keep it in check. With these companion plants, you can create a more balanced and pest-free garden. Isn't it amazing how nature provides us with these simple yet effective solutions? We'd love for you to try these companion plants in your garden. Share your experiences and discoveries in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.